Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this module, we will learn about the application of light technology in industry and daily life. Before that, I want to thank the sponsor and the organizer in making this video. The first application is light emitting diode LED. In simplest term, LED is a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current is passed through it. Now, let's see what is the example and application of LED in our daily life. The second application of light technology is alternate light emitting diode. OLED is an advanced display technology made from a thin film of light emitting organic materials. Now let's see what is the example of OLED. Most of the OLED example is very near to us and we use it in our daily life. The third application of light technology is laser. Laser is a device that stimulates atoms or molecules to emit light at particular wavelengths and amplifies that light, typically producing a very narrow beam of radiation. To understand more about the laser, let's watch the video first.
Fiber optics, or optical fiber, refers to the medium and the technology associated with the transmission of information as light pulses along a glass or plastic strand or fiber. Fiber optic lines are strands of optically pure glass, as thin as a human hair, that carry digital information over long distances. They are also used in medical imaging and mechanical engineering inspection. They are arranged in bundles called optical cables and used to transmit light signals over long distances. Fiber optic cables carry information between two places using entirely optical, light-based technology. Fiber optics transmit data in the form of light particles, or photons, that pulse through a fiber optic cable. The glass fiber core and the cladding each have a different refractive index that bends incoming light in a certain angle. When light signals are sent through the fiber optic cable, they reflect off the core and cladding in a series of zigzag bounces, adhering to a process called total internal reflection. The simplest type of optical fiber is called single mode. Single mode fiber is used for longer distances due to the smaller diameter of the glass fiber core, which lessens the possibility for attenuation, the reduction in signal strength. The smaller opening isolates the light into a single beam, which offers a more direct route and allows the signal to travel a longer distance. Another type of fiber optic cable is called multimode. Multimode fiber is used for shorter distances because the larger core opening allows light signals to bounce and reflect more along the way. The larger diameter permits multiple light pulses to be sent through the cable at one time, which results in more data transmission. Multimode fiber optics typically use an LED to create the light pulse. Computer networking is a common fiber optic use case due to optical fiber's ability to transmit data and provide high bandwidth. Similarly, fiber optics is frequently used in broadcasting and electronics to provide better connections and performance. Fiber optics are also frequently used in a variety of medical instruments to provide precise illumination. It also increasingly enables biomedical sensors that aid in minimally invasive medical procedures.
As mentioned in the video, fiber optic is used to transmit a large amount of data or used as a cable. The second application of laser in science and technology is laser pointer, radar, and satellite. Apart from that, laser also is widely used in medicine. For example, endoscope. Endoscope is used for examining your esophagus, stomach, and your intestine. It acts as a camera to see what inside our body. Laser also was used in the LASIK surgery for the eye treatment, and also was used in a cancer diagnosis to detect the cancer in our body. The last category of laser application is industry. Did you know how the metal was cut and assembled together to make a finished product? Yes, through laser. This cutting and welding laser has been used since 1960. Did you notice the price scanner at the counter or the barcode scanner for borrowing the books at the library? That scanner actually used the laser to scan the barcode. The last example of the laser application in industry is laser printer. Laser printer is widely used in the office or photocopy shop to print or photocopy the document. Artists and interior architects have long understood that color can affect our feelings, emotion, and moods. This is why some places have their own specific color. Let's go and find what is the effect of natural light, red, blue, and green in our mood. Natural light or sun are a proof that can make the people more productive, and exposure to it can stimulate the body natural vitamin D production mechanism. In Al-Quran in Surah Yunus verse 5, Allah said, He is the one who made the sun radiant source and the moon reflected light, with precisely ordered phases, so that you may know the number of years and calculation of time. Allah did not create all this except for a purpose. He makes the sign clear for people knowledge. In this ayah, we can conclude that Allah has created the sun with purpose which benefit the entire universe. Red is energizing and passion color, so it's often used to advertise energy drinks, games, car, as well as in connection to sports. Red color also often used on national flag like Malaysian flag that associate with courage and bravery. Blue colors can make you relax, especially when you see the sky, increase your alertness, and it can lower your high blood pressure based on the research finding. The green color has a soothing effect that can calm the people and boost the immune system, especially when seeing the nature. Every color has effect in our body and mood, so whenever you want to design your room, office or house, make sure to choose the right color.